everyone, thanks for stopping back by today to see what I am up to. And today I have my Ipsy versus Ipsy. I have my younger profile and my current profile. So I do battle of the bags, battle of the profiles. I think for the most part everybody knows about Ipsy. It's $12 a month. This they are sample or deluxe size samples. Free shipping. I think we do pay tax. I don't know what the price comes up to each month. I don't recall. We get to customize one product in each of their subscriptions that they offer, and this bag is included. We get 5 samples, and sometimes we get a full-size item, so I'm not knocking that. And this is my younger profile, and this is the bag. Pretty. I like this. It's nice and soft and buttery. I love the pull tab. Very nice. It's like a teal bluey color. Zipper works great. Let's see, the card is Make Waves. Excuse me. And they have been including these types of cards where they're not giving us product detail. So this is what the inside looks like, a little sneak peek. I like to pull everything out. It's easier for me just to quickly go over everything. And then this is the inside of the bag. It has the Ipsy tag, nice yellow inside, yellow outside, all different kinds of girls, I guess, laying on beach towels, I would assume. Excuse me. Cute. So this card is of no value. I don't know why they're even bothering putting it in if they're not going to give us any product information, which is nice because these are so small sometimes you can't even see, you don't know what they're about. So this first product is, I would assume the company name is Papa Recipe, and this is eggplant. Ooh. Eggplant. It's a mud cream mask. Clearing or cleansing, clearing. I would assume cleansing. I have no idea what that says. Clearing. Eggplant clearing mud cream mask. And that's pretty full. So that's the first product. The second product is from Celefit. And this is Double Effect Cleanser, Oil to Foam. It's for dry and sensitive skin, which is perfect because my skin is very dry. Right here. You can see pretty full. Let's see if this is sealed. Yes, has a seal on it. Oh, I can smell like fresh and clean coming through the seal. Save that for last. We have a Kat Von D, I would assume. That looks like her. Yeah. Right here. Little product, little Kat Von D, little translucent powder. Yeah, a little translucent powder right there. I don't think I've ever tried that, but hair somewhere that is like bugging me. So this is from, and this is sealed, from Maelle, M-A-E-L-L-E. This is Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lip in Fuchsia. So that's what that looks like, and fuchsia is there. You can pretty much see the color. Let me just hold this up like this. You can see the color on that. That's like a deep pink. I don't know if that's more to the red side, so I don't know if I'll be able to pull that one off. Last product is here. And can I get this off without scissors? Probably not. So let me just grab some scissors. We'll leave them out in case I need them for the other bag. This is an Ofra highlighter, and this does appear to be a pretty good full-size product. So you can see here, highlighter in Soho. I don't think I have that one. Not necessarily my shade, because it's more of like the coppery, bronzy type. But that's a good size pan. I mean, that's not, I mean, it's obviously, it's not like this deep. But if you're just using a little bit of it, this will last a long time. So that's nice to get an Ofra highlighter in that bag. So that is my younger profile. I don't know how well they're doing lately with profiles. And then this one is my current profile. Let's open this one up. You know, same bag. They're identical bags. The Ipsy Plus, a little bit bigger, and I think the pole might have been yellow in the Ipsy Plus. I already did the Ipsy Plus. Once again, I'm sure the card is of no value. Yes, once again, card, blank. Make waves is the theme. I'm just going to take everything out. Put the card back in. I wish they would go back to giving us some better information. So this is from INMO, and it stands for I'm Not Missing Out, and this is a shadow. And this is Queen Bee. Let's see if I can get this out. Aid of the scissors, maybe. Okay. It's a cream. What does that say? Velveteen Dream Shadow. This is their packaging. Very nice. Let's unscrew that. And this is the shade. Decent size. It would last, I think, would last a long time. I'm not a fan of the singles, so I will share. I've been sharing them in a giveaway, but nice. They're nice. Get that back in the bag. Then we have a, let's see, a soothing cream. As You Lean from SurMedic. As You Lean Soothing Cream. I don't know what this does, but I would assume it's for your face, probably face neck type product. Okay, I'm not angry at that. Oh, First Aid Beauty, a matte primer. That is First Aid Beauty, yes. And that's pretty full, so that's nice to have. I love trying all different kinds of primers. Then we have another one of these, the Celefit Double Effect Cleanser Oil to Foam, Dry to Sensitive Skin. So I do like the oil to foam cleansers. They do work very, very well. So I'm happy to try that brand. And then I think I chose this. I think I chose the lip product in the other one, but I didn't think it was that color. And this is from Sugar. I guess this is Sugar Cosmetics. Why was there? Sugar Cosmetics. Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick 07 Viola. There's that. Right there. Let's take the lid off. So this is the shade. Ooh, almost fell off the chair. So that's nice. I don't know if I'll be keeping that. I might. You never know. I share a lot of the samples that I get in the bags in giveaways. So they are my two Ipsy versus Ipsy. Now, younger profile, state that I'm 25. Don't have a lot of makeup. Don't have brushes. Don't have this. Don't have that. Just starting out. Not real comfortable with using you know, any of the products. So to get a highlighter, okay, the translucent powder, I can understand the cleansers, the mask, and a lip product. I mean, that's not horrible for somebody that doesn't really have much, to give a little bit wide variety. And now my current profile, I have a ton of stuff. I'm comfortable using it all. So I got a cream, a primer, an eyeshadow, the cleanser, and a lip product. You know, I don't know which one is better, honestly. I honestly don't even know if they're using profiles these days. You know, they all say they do, and then when you get your product, it doesn't really match. So I think these are both in themselves good bags, nice products to have. I don't think either one really made it. I mean, if I had to pick one, I would say my younger profile, not my current profile. But that's, you know, it is what it is. I like these bags each month just for the samples, to try brands that I've never tried. Ipsy was $10. I don't know when they raised. October of 2019, they raised from $10 to $12. If Ipsy were to raise their prices again, and I'm sure they're going to, then I will no longer get the Ipsy Glam bags, because at $10, it was a great bag. $12, it's still, you know, it was only $2 more a bag. But if they raise it, let's say they take these to $15 a month, then to me, that's no longer a value, because they're samples. I would rather spend $20, $25 and get another Ipsy Plus, get another Boxy, all these other boxes out there, the AIA Beauty bundles bi-monthly, the selfie box. They're phenomenal boxes, and for a little bit more, I'm getting all consistent full-size products. So if these prices go up again, then probably Ipsy glam bags will be done, because I'm not going to be spending $15 to get 5 samples. I can get, there's so many other ones out there that are offering samples that are way less than that. So that's where Ipsy will lose me if they raise the prices. I'm not saying they are, but I'm sure they will. That's when this will go. I do love the bags, and I do like the samples, like I said, but if the prices go any higher than the $12 a month, then peace out on them. I'll still get the Ipsy Plus, but this will go, because I'm not spending $30 a month to get samples. To me, that's not a value. So I appreciate all of you watching. Let me know down in the comments below if you thought either bag was better. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Would you get this at $12 a bag? Would you pay more? I think it was a better bargain at $10 a bag. So I hope everyone is doing well and trying to enjoy their summer. I know the warm weather is upon where I live in Pennsylvania, and I just wish we would get a lot more sunny days than rainy days. It just seems like March and April, May even, and a little bit of June, it's just been a lot of rain. So I'm hoping that that just like goes through, and usually we can go all summer with no rain. Usually when we're like begging for rain and we don't get it. Now we've had so much rain. It's nice today. I think today was a super sunny day, hot, humid. So I don't look forward to that, but it is summertime, and that's part of living in an area that has all 4 seasons. I take them as they come. Thank God summer is short. So like I said, I hope everyone is doing well and trying to keep busy and be happy. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.